Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are present and then take the first actionable steps. You already have the package and key. Open your terminal and navigate to the installer directory. Once there, run the install command and watch for prompts. If asked, accept permissions and enter the API key or local activation token. Make sure to note any error lines and write them down. This will speed debugging. After installation finishes, verify the service process is running before moving on. Next, you configure the bot to behave the way you need and then customize integrations. Open the config and set model, endpoint URLs, and any rate limits. Explain why each matters for latency and cost. Once done, map your inputs and outputs so the bot accepts CLI, GUI, or webhook data. Test each channel with a simple query. Then enable desired plugins or skills, configure their keys, and run a combined test to validate the workflow before going live. Finally, you run final tests and deploy, making sure the system behaves under realistic loads. Execute end-to-end tests using representative prompts and confirm expected responses and latency. Once satisfied, package your bot for deployment, containerize or use a service, set production and VARs, and enable monitoring and alerts. Make sure to validate performance post-deploy. If things go wrong, check logs for errors, verify API quota and keys, and restart the service. That single step often clears transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.